This video tutorial will cover the procedures to properly complete the ClearScan process. This video applies to the BTR 700, the BTR 800, and the BTR 80N. With all other manufacturers' wireless equipment on, ClearScan one belt pack in the intended area of use, making sure that all other belt packs and your base station is off. Do this by pressing and holding the menu and set button until CLR SCN will appear on the display. The process may take up to 12 seconds, and you'll know the process is complete once the clearest group is flashing on the display. Write down the first 3 to 5 recommended groups from that belt pack. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the recommended groups. In our case, it's 01A, 07A, and 10A. Now turn that belt pack off and turn on your base station, repeating the process from step 1. Again, do this by pressing and holding the menu and set button until ClearScan appears in the display. The process may take up to 12 seconds, and you will know the process is complete once the clearest group is flashing in the display. Write down the first 3 to 5 recommended groups. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the choices. In our case, it's group 01A, 01B, 02A, and 02B. Compare the list of open groups from the belt pack to the list of open groups from the base station. Use the first open group that matches from both lists. In our case, it's 01A. Go back to your base station and scroll to the first matching group from both lists using the up and down arrow keys. Once there, hit the set button, which will automatically set up your base station on the clearest group. You can now turn on your belt packs one by one and set them up using the set button and arrow keys to go to the clearest group that we've previously determined. Press the set key again to edit the belt pack's channel, and then the set key one more time for your changes to take. In our case, the first belt pack would be set to group 01A, channel 1. The second belt pack would be set to group 01A, channel 2. The third belt pack would be set to group 01A, channel 3, and the fourth belt pack would be set to group 01A, channel 4. Once your base station and belt packs are set to the correct group and channels, communication will initiate. ClearScan only looks at signal strength of frequencies in the environment at the particular time it was done. It does not calculate intermod potential. In large systems, portables moving around in the environment can cause intermodulation products to occur and affect previously clear channels. In large systems, it is recommended to calculate potential intermod interaction of the frequencies to avoid these issues.